This is our 25 kV 600 ampere T connector. Now I will show you all the parts we supply. This is a T connector. We use EPDM material. And here is our Anhuang brand. We can also provide OEM service, no problem. And this is the semiconductor cap we install here, like this, not finished. And this is the insulate plug. We use epoxy resin. And this adapter we can supply 4-inch size according to your cable diameter. And this is the conductor cable lug. This is the copper material, and this is a bimetallic. This one is a wrench screw socket. You can use like this. Okay. This one, 2 side screw. And this is a semiconductor tap. Okay. And this one is a clean paper and the silicone screws. When we ship by air, and we will take away these 2 parts. Now all finished. Thanks for time.